What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. Today, I'm getting the deal of a lifetime. I think I'm getting the deal of a lifetime. So I got the opportunity to come up here to Bargain Spot LLC. They got a load of high-end designer clothes. A brand I've never heard of before, but it is a high-end brand. They sell it like Bloomingdale's and stuff. So I'm going to go check it out and see if it's worth getting. The boxes are $100, which is crazy because all of the items are new with tags. You know how new with tag stuff is? You ain't got to go through and process it. You just pull it out, show it, and sell it. So hopefully we're going to be able to get a couple of these boxes, maybe to do them on whatnot, sell some of it on eBay, whatever we got to do. But it is new with tag stuff, so I'm pretty optimistic about it. Let's get in here. Bag has been secured. I got all of the boxes. I ended up getting 4 boxes. One of them had all shoes in it. One of them had actually half shoes, half clothes in it. And I think the other ones had all clothes in them. So when I get back to the house, we're going to pull some stuff out and I'm going to show y'all some stuff. But the value on this stuff is absolutely insane. It is crazy. They said these lows don't come around very often. It's probably the only time they ever get them in. They're going to get some more in the morning. So it's going to be the last time we can get these. But hopefully they'll come back again. Because new with tags, high end. I mean, you can't beat this. This is like a dream. And especially today on my off day, I was able to come up here. So anyway, we're gonna get back to Chattanooga and see what we got. All right, we got the boxes back to the store. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything out of the box. I'm not gonna do like a traditional unboxing. I'm gonna pull everything out and then we'll get the value of it. But these look amazing. Sorry about my eBay tape. I had opened them up while I was at the store and I put them in the back of my truck and I didn't want I didn't want to fall off. So I have been making some progress at the store. I'm working on another video that was supposed to come out before this video, but this is an impromptu thing. So the store's coming together. You can see the plan is in full effect right now. It's a lot cleaner than it was. I got everything kind of organized in my own kind of weird way, but yeah, let's get into these boxes. Okay, so this tape is just loosely on here, but I'm gonna slice it just a little bit. There we go. So I'm gonna calculate this at the end, but I know that the value is like great. So these are some, I don't know what. I want to look at some of this stuff because it's all new with tags. I love how it's all nicely folded in here, but I do have to pull the stuff out. But the quality of this stuff is really good. All right, look at that. It's some kind of jacket hoodie. It's like 2 jacket hoodies. That's there. This is the brand Shelfpulls, and then they got Shelfpulls and like Shelfpulls Sport. They're all brand new with tags. That one got a tag of $250, which is crazy. Yeah, but this is really cool. I'll try to fold this. I don't know. I don't want to have it like all unprofessional. So I'm probably not going to pull these out. You just have to see them on the Whatnot show. If we have a Whatnot show. All right, that's $250. This is a cotton embroidered shirt. Got like a skull on it. So it's $110. Then we got these jeans. These are, says 25, size 25. $238 for those. And this is a Poison Roses on Georgette. The Shelfpulls. Paris. So this one has a tag of $268. Then these are, this is Bloomingdale's. So it's got a Bloomingdale's tag on it. $298 for that. I don't even know what this is. All right, this is a nice little knit and corset. $295 for that. This box just goes on and on. It's so full. This is another one, $388 for this. I may try to pop up some of the styles on the screen, but there's so many pieces in here. I'm not gonna have time This is a lace dress. $458 for this. Crazy. This is on clearance. This was on clearance. This is some navy pants, 30% off, $245 and $171. But the quality of these is really good. Like this is some good quality stuff. This ain't just no regular old cotton junk. Like the zippers, and this has like leathers on the on the straps. So like I said, that one's the Shelfpulls Sport. Let's see, this is what's this? This is some kind of knit something. Okay, this is a kind of like a sweater. It's a nice Shelfpulls sweater for $258. Really nice. Let's see, this is a lace, some kind of lace top. That was $175. And this is a referee shirt. Referee shirt for $248. Can't really see that one's got a thing over it. All right. $215 for this one. This is a shooting star shirt, relaxed fit, large. And also that's one good thing is that the sizes are like normal sizes. They're not like crazy, you know, extreme, like extra small or 4XL. This is another one of those dresses, $458 for that dress. I'm gonna pull this dress out just because, or maybe it's a shirt. I don't know. I can't tell if it's a shirt or a dress, but it's looks kind of short for a dress. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna get that back in there like it was. This is another Shelfpulls shirt. All the stuff is gonna be Shelfpulls, just to let y'all know. This one's an extra small, and it's $120. And this is a smooth cashmere shirt. It's got like some kind of I don't know what that is. It's got like some kind of shiny something on it. But it is $328. Another Bloomingdale's tag. This is like some kind of coat. Let's look at the coat. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. It's like a nice little jacket thing. And it is made in Bulgaria. Interesting. I don't know what brand this is though. We'll have to look that one up. Y'all get the gist. So I'm gonna pull all the rest of this stuff out. I'm actually gonna pull everything out of all the rest of the boxes. I'm gonna get a price just for one box, and then I'm gonna give you a price for all the stuff and all the rest of the boxes. Then we got some shoes, I think, in one of the boxes and some purses. So I'll come back in and show y'all the shoes and the purses. I mean, this is leather. This ain't no regular. This is leather here. $850. Okay, so I pulled out all of the clothes out of this one. This one had 3 shoes at the bottom of them. So let's look at these shoes. Ooh la la. Some nice little shoes for a mere $395. All right, let's start with the women's shoes. These are some cute little leather shoes. A mere $465. These some cute little ones. Ooh, some pumps. Those pumps. Some black pumps. And these are cool. These are super cool. Look at those. What are those? $250. Stud. They're studded. They're leather. Okay, I pulled everything out. I didn't show everything, obviously, just because, you know, it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff down here. I'm gonna give you just a brief overview of the boxes, how full they are. So based on my calculations of the MSRP, so each one of the items had a tag on it, like just a new tag on them. The value was $36,400. That's insane. That's insane for $400 spent. You know, and these boxes are so like overpacked, over full. We've got That box is full, that box is full, that box is full. I did get one that had all shoes in it. So these were, you know, these were all of the shoes that came in there. So it's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of shoes. But, you know, they're nice shoes, leather. These are a mere $465, which is kind of crazy. But, yeah, it's a lot. It's going to be a lot to process. We're going to really have to figure out how we're going to sell all of this stuff, because it's a lot of stuff. It's really good stuff. Like, hold on, I gotta show y'all this. Hold on. Like this one piece that I found, this leather jacket. I mean, full leather, soft leather jacket. $850. I'm gonna show it to y'all. I mean, look at this leather jacket here. This is really nice. This is a nice leather jacket. I mean, just high quality. Full leather. I mean, this is leather. This ain't no pleather. This is the real, this is the real deal. This is the real deal. So $850, just for that one thing. So if we can sell that jacket for half of the MSRP, that literally paid for everything. They paid for all of it, which is insane. That's why I love liquidation, because you can find some really great stuff. Shout out to Candace and Alan at Bargain Spot LLC. They always come through with the fire. They price stuff very like where we all can make money. These boxes could have easily been $1,000 a piece. You know, they could have been a lot more than what they were. And they charge $100 for these boxes. Now, I don't think that they're getting any more in. I'm gonna try to put this video out today. Tomorrow, which is Thursday. So Thursday, June the 20th. Yes, Thursday, June 20th, 2024. They should still have some of these boxes available. They were getting another 9 pallets in on Thursday morning. So when they open up at 10 a.m. North City, you could get one of these boxes, or multiple, or pallet of them, whatever you want. They're going to have 9 additional pallets, and I don't remember how many was on each pallet, but you should be able to get one if you are in the area. So Bargain Spot LLC, shout out to them. They're awesome. I paid for these boxes. They don't give me any. They didn't give me any boxes or anything like that. I just like them because they're fair. They provide us with product. They help us move our business forward. So I don't mind shouting them out because they're awesome. But yeah, it's a lot going on. This is a different video than what I had planned for today. I actually was planning on going through the store and fixing it up, and I'm in phase 2 of our plan. Well, end of phase 1 into phase 2 of our plan. And I've got a lot of stuff done, so I'll finish that video tomorrow. And that video should be out on maybe Friday or Saturday. But yeah, that's gonna be it. If you like these types of videos, like, share, subscribe, really appreciate it. I'll set the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.